Hi friends, thanks so much for stopping by. In today's video, I am going to make the most amazing carrot cake for the holidays. It's amazing for the holidays, it's great for birthdays too, so stick around and we're going to make this together today. This video is in collaboration with my friends on YouTube, and we're talking about staying home for the holidays.
Okay, so you start with 4 eggs, and you're going to want to crack these in a large bowl. For this cake recipe, you're not going to use your mixer, you're just going to use a large bowl. This is a great bowl. I think I got this at Macy's, Martha Stewart. Okay, so I got my 4 eggs, and next I'm going to add to it 2 cups of sugar. I've already pre-measured this, mise en place, so here's my 2 cups of sugar. Looks like a lot of sugar, but I'm telling you it's going to be really tasty. It's worth the calories. So next I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. And next I'm going to add 1 1/4 cups of vegetable oil and mix this together. And I'm going to use my KitchenAid mixer today because, like I said, we're not using our big mixer, we're just using the hand mixer. You want to make sure you don't overbeat this because that's going to mess up the consistency. So don't turn it on high, just turn it on like 1 to 2. I like to just turn the bowl. I find that a little trick. Okay, so you're going to need 3 cups of shredded carrots. So first thing you need to do is just go ahead and peel your carrots. I like an old-fashioned peeler. I don't even know how long I've had this thing, but I like an old-fashioned peeler. Okay, so next, now that we've shredded our carrots and my hands are slightly orange, we're going to do our dry ingredients. So I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour that I've pre-measured. I'm going to add to that a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and then 2 teaspoons each of baking soda, baking powder, and then my favorite part, cinnamon. The cinnamon gives it the nice fall flavor. I love cinnamon. I would put it in anything. I put it in chili last week. Go watch my pumpkin chili. Oh, I might have put a little extra in. It's okay. I only measure when I'm baking. Otherwise, I don't measure ever. So, okay, so next we're gonna whisk this together. Okay. And then we're going to add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. So next you're going to add 3 cups of shredded carrots. And you're going to add 1 cup of nuts. The recipe calls for pecans or pecans if you're from the south. I am not, I'm from the north, so pecans. But today I'm actually using walnuts. You can substitute the nuts based on your preferences, and I actually really like walnuts in this cake, so today we're going to use walnuts. Okay, so now that we're thoroughly mixed, we're going to go ahead and get our cake pans ready. So next I'm going to grease my cake pans. I have 3 cake pans. We're going to do 3 layers in this cake. These are different sizes, but it's just simply what we have on hand at the house. So this is what we're going to use today.
Please jingle with me, baby. I wanna get to know you better. Please jingle.
Okay, so now we're to the point where we're going to fill our pans, and I'm going to fill each one evenly. I'm going to use a ladle here so that I know sort of exactly how much I'm putting in, and I can do it evenly. Okay, so now that I have it evenly distributed, what you want to do is you just want to kind of like tap it on the table, and you're doing that because you want to get all the air bubbles out. If you don't get the air bubbles out, you'll end up with a cake that has a dome on the top, and that's hard to frost, so you want to try to get all the air bubbles out.
I'm gonna jingle with you, baby. I wanna get to know you better.
And voila! We're ready to go into the oven.
I'm gonna jingle, jingle, jingle with you now. How much fun it's gonna be together. What do I get? How much it means no. 'Cause I got my love to keep me warm. What do I get? How much it means no. 'Cause I got my love to keep me warm. Winter weather, I love the winter weather. Closer to each other. Winter weather, now we can get together. Christmas time is pulling me closer to your heart.
Closer to your heart.
Yeah, closer to my heart.
Come on, I need to hear you now.
Jingle, jingle, jingle with me now.
I got my love to keep me warm. Winter weather, I love the winter weather. 'Cause Christmas time.
So now into my mixer, I'm going to add 8 ounces of cream cheese, and I have softened this, as well as a half cup of butter, which is also softened. And I already have 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract inside the bowl.
I wanna get to know ya. Please, baby, please, baby, please. Winter weather, get together. Closer to your
Let's go outside. The snow is falling down, and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size.
And now I'm
as
adding
me
about
with
a
a smile.
fourth to a half a
Turkey
cup
is mine.
of sifted
We're
sugar at a
holding
time.
hands to keep
And I'll
each
mix this
other
in well,
warm while we
slowly
stand
stopping to
and
add a
watch
little bit
choir
more.
performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you. 'Cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk, and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you.
Now I'm adding 1 cup of walnuts to the icing.
The moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh, 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 ooh.
So this recipe is special. My husband actually taught me how to make it. It was passed down on his side of the family, and on both sides of our family we have so many birthdays in the fall and throughout the winter months. So this is a really special recipe, a really special cake to bring families together, and I really hope that you will decide to make it this Christmas season.
So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you.
I hope you enjoyed this video and that it was helpful to you. This is a hard year, and I know we aren't able to get together with all of our friends and family like we normally do. I'd love to hear how you plan to celebrate while staying home for the holidays this year. Don't forget, this video is in collaboration with some of my friends, so check out the link in my description box for more holiday homemaking inspiration. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new here, I hope you will subscribe. Thank you so much for your support, and I'll see you in the next one.